Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Restake Finance DAO token. Ticker symbol is Rstk, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 12th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Restake Finance token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, as always, I'm going to put their Twitter up right on the screen here so you guys can easily find this project. It is at Restake on X.com. They have the blue verified checkmark, 274 tweets, 9,610 followers. Has a link to their Discord there if you want to join the conversation. Brand new project, just joined in July 2023. Webpage is right there as well, restakefinance.com. And it was just announced on Twitter that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting January 12th at 10 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Rstk, and then simply just buy the token. Now, this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. They're already doing very well. Established project with 5,463 holders according to their Etherscan. 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 100 million tokens. Now, if you go to that webpage there, you're also going to find a full white paper. They have a document section. So, Restake Finance enables LSTs to be used as crypto economic security for actively validated services, part of the EIGIN layer. Now, on their white paper, they have a whole section if you want to learn specifically about what the EIGIN layer is. So, Restake Finance is proposing a decentralized approach for the rehypothecation of yield. So, users can restake their LSTs in the EIGIN layer through the introduction of our restaked ETH token, which is RST ETH. They will deposit LSTs into our protocol and will receive RST ETH in return, a tokenized version of their EL contribution. Their LSTs will be deposited into EL through DAO-controlled smart contracts, and they will earn Ethereum staking returns in addition to EIGIN layer native returns. RST ETH is decentralized and always fully backed one-to-one by ST ETH. Restake Finance will be powered by the Restake Finance DAO, so the decentralized autonomous organization. Basically, if you are a token holder, and maybe you have to stake them first, but you get a vote in which direction you think the project should go in. There's proposals and all that type of stuff. So, which will ensure that the project remains true to its decentralized nature and that its development aligns with the interests of the stakeholders. So the DAO will be governed with the use of the utility and governance token Rstk. So that's the token being listed on Coinex. It's a utility token as well as a governance token. Its goal is to accrue value to token holders through governance and yield generation. The system will be applying a fee on all EigenLayer restaking and will be shared with Rstk token holders. So on their webpage, if you go to their webpage there, at the very top of the page, you can click on RST-ETH and you can learn specifically about that, or you can learn specifically about the Rstk token. You can click on their full document section. You can launch the beta version of their app. So on their document section, it'll take you over to docs.restakefinance.com. They have a whole section on what is the EigenLayer. They talk about DeFi to LSDeFi to Rstk. Big introduction to Restake Finance, and basically just goes over everything you could think of. So, but we're going to go specifically over the token. So this is the utility and governance token. So our core belief is that Rstk holders are important stakeholders of the ecosystem, and the team's interests will always align with the holders. We will be maximizing utility and value accrual for holders without diluting them away from unnecessary token inflation through liquidity mining or vesting. Rstk holders will be able to govern the protocol, boost their yields, and share the protocol's revenue. The main way to obtain Rstk is by participating in tokens liquidity generation events or by buying it from Uniswap after listing. Additional opportunities to earn Rstk will be announced by the team. So at Restake Finance, the protocol will be managed by the holders of the governance token Rstk. Rstk is an ERC20 token at the core of the protocol powering Restake Finance's DAO. Rstk is built as the native token within the ecosystem. We aim to maximize utility and adoption. The token has been designed to be a community-oriented token and align with the major stakeholders. Having a strong community is at the core ethos of Restake Finance. Aside from being a governance token, it will also be used to boost utility for the users of the ecosystem. Their max supply is 100 billion tokens. So there's different utilities for the token. You can participate in governance, protocols revenue, the EigenLayer native yields, and additional yield boost. Now the distribution of the token, 30% of it goes to the mining pool, 6.6% public sale, 2.5% strategic sale, 0.8% strategic sale number 2, 5% airdrop, 15% team, 15% ecosystem incentives, 10% community seed sale, 10% strategic partnerships reserve, and lastly 5% LP reserve. So check this all out. All the info is at docs.restakefinance.com. You can find this token newly listed as of today on Coinex Global. So check out all the referral codes down there if you don't have a Coinex account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.